Hello students, let us discuss practice worksheet for the algebraic expressions and identity. First question is find the value of m plus n into m minus n into m square plus n square m raised to power 4 minus n raised to power 4 at m is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. So first of all we will find out its value. Let us combine first two terms first. So here when we will combine m plus n with m minus n, let us write down the next of the terms as it is. First combine these two terms. So what we will get? Here we can use the identity a plus b into a minus b. So here it will become m square minus n square. Now rest of the terms will be as it is, m square plus n square and m raised to power 4 minus n raised to power 4. Now again we will combine these two terms. Again it will come out to be a minus b into a plus b, where a is m square and b is n square. So it will become a square minus b square. A is m square, so it's square minus b square. Next term will be as it is. Sorry, this is positive. Now it will come out to be m raised to power 4 minus n raised to power 4 into m raised to power 4 plus n raised to power 4. Again we will use here the third identity, so it will come out to be m raised to power 4 square minus n raised to power 4 square. That is m raised to power 8 minus n raised to power 8. Now we have to find out its value at m is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. So let us put the value. Put m is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. So it will come out to be 1 raised to power 8 minus 1 raised to power 8. Positive raised to power anything, that will become same, minus negative raised to power even number, that will be positive. So 1 minus 1, that will come out to be 0. I hope you understand this. Let us do one more question, that is find the value of 97 square. 97 square. So first of all we can find it out by multiplying 97 with 97, but we will use the identity to solve it out. So how we will use it? So we will write down 97 as 90 plus 7, or it can be written as 100 minus 3. So you find out whichever to be comfortable, you can do that one. Okay. So I will use here 100 minus 3 whole square. So here it can be compared with a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is 100 and b is 3. Now put the values in the right side. So ये बन जाएगा 100 square minus 2. A is 100, b is 3 and b is 3 square. Now let us solve it out. 100 square will be 10,000 minus 2 3s are 6, 6 into 100, that is 600 plus 3 3s are 9. So first of all you will subtract 600 from 10,000. That you will get here 9400. 9400 plus 9, that will be 9409. Let us take one more here, same type, that is 41. Now 41 can be written as 40 plus 1, and this will be easier one because square of 1 is easy, square of 4 is easy, 40 is easy. So let us compare this one with the first identity, a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a here? A is 40, b is 1. So let us put the values in the right side. It will come out to be 40 square plus 2 times 40 into 1 plus 1 square. Now open the bracket, 4 4s are 16, so it will be 1600 240, 2 into 40, that is 80, 80 into 1, that is 80, plus 1. Now add all these numbers, 1600 plus 80, that will be 1680 plus 1, 1681 will be your answer. Next is simplify using the identity. So this number is given 2.3 into 2.3 minus 0.3 into 0.3 divided by 2.3 multiplied by 2.3 minus 2 multiplied by 2.3 into 0.3 plus 0.3 into 0.3. So इसको देखने से आपको लग रहा होगा पता नहीं ये क्या बन गया है, but what is it? Here we will use the identity. Okay, so 2.3 into 2.3 इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2.3 का स्क्वायर minus 0.3 into 0.3, it can be written as 0.3 का square divided by the number is 2.3 into 2.3, इसको भी हम ऐसे लिखेंगे 2.3 square minus this will be written as it is 2 into 2.3 into 0.3 plus again 0.3 is multiplied twice, so it can be written as square of 0.3. Now check it out in the numerator a square minus b square. We are getting a square minus b square where a is 2.3 and b is 0.3. So here we can apply the formula 2.3 plus 0.3, 2.3 minus 0.3 divided by. Now in the denominator we have a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here we are getting the formula 2.3 minus 0.3 whole square. So one power of this will cancel out with this one power. So it will come out to be 2.3 plus 0.3 divided by 2.3 minus 0.3. Now add the numerator, it will come out to be 2.6 and denominator will be 2. Now divide it, it will come out to be 1.3. So इसको देखने से by just looking at this question you may find it to be difficult, but using the identities its answer comes out in only 2 steps. I hope you understand it. Let us do one more. Rohan's mother gave him rupees 4xy square and his father gave rupees 5xy square plus 3. He spent rupees 10 minus 3xy square out of this total money. How much money is left with him? So first of all, his mother gave him money, his father gave him money. So we will find out the total money he has. So total money is 4xy square plus 5xy square plus 3. That is 4xy square plus 5xy square. It will be 9xy square plus 3. This is the total money he has. Now he spent 10 minus 3xy square. So how much money is left with him? So spent money, let us write down, that is 10 minus 3xy square. So money left will be, we have to subtract the spent money from the total. So let us write down first total money minus 10 minus 3xy square. Now open the bracket, you will get here 9xy square plus 3 minus 10 plus 3xy square. When you open the bracket, if outside is negative sign, the sign will change. Now collect the like terms. 9 plus 3, that is 12xy square. 3 minus 10, that is minus 7. So he is left with this much money. So in the end you can put the units also. So don't forget to write the units. I hope you understand this question. And if for any of the doubts you can ask me in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And also share it with your friends.